Okay, folks, once again, another Black Bandit video. In this video, well, there it is. Bit of a problem here. I have got a slick tire. And you know what I've learned, surprisingly, is these tires, this tire, if I was to guess, it definitely has very close to 1,000 kilometers on it. We use kilometers up here, by the way. We're just because we're in Canada, but yeah. So it's about 1,000 K on this tire, and well, you can see, it is very slick on the top, and it definitely needs to be changed. And if you look here, I will do another video, but these brakes, because I'm running these drum style brakes, they are done. So I do have the new brake pads that I'm going to be putting on this thing because they are done. Here's my backs. They are cooked. The brakes are completely, they are burnt up. So I will have to put some brakes on, but I do have the brakes. I actually bought a set. They're just sitting on the other side of the apartment here where I have them. I just haven't done that job yet. But in this job here, I'm going to be doing the tire change, because right over here I got a nice new tire, nice new rubber, and this is what's going to be going on that rim. So instead of wasting any time, I'm not too sure, but just for anybody who's not too sure how to change a tire, the first thing what you want to do is obviously, well, you're going to release your tire, make sure that you got that released. You come over to the valve stem, and the best thing what you want to do here is you want to let out all the air in the tire. In this case, I'm just going to use a pencil. You can use whatever you want, but, well, I guess I got to use the pencil, but. So, find the valve. Oh. You can use whatever you want, So you let out all the air so the tire is flat. Nothing's coming out anymore. Oh, a little bit of air left still in there. So it's completely drained. Now, for me to continue this, what I'm going to do is I am going to attach the phone to a bracket, my trusty phone bracket here. Hold on. Don't mind my my filming. I'm trying to keep things as simple as possible. So let's just try. Okay. So there it is. Okay. So what I'm gonna do. Yeah, and if your bike has these style of brakes, this bike this bike has this style of brakes. So you have to release the cable like this so that the brakes are free on each side here like that, which allows for the tire to be released from the forks. So now, there it is. Now I got my tire. It's here. And I'll just change the angle just so you can see what's going on. Okay, so now that the tire is deflated, everything, I got my little tool, tire tool. These come usually when you buy kits, tire kits. Basically, what you want to do is just take this tool. See, you put the tool underneath there, and you're gonna run this tool underneath the under the rubber. There it is. See? Now that you got one side done, you actually don't even really need the tool, but I will show you. You don't even need it. You can see. So right there, the tire's already ready to come off the rim. So take the stem out. I've already worked on these rims. That's why you got a brand new little rubber piece. That little, I can't remember what they call that thing, but it's this rubber in here. It's new. I just did it. I put new tubes in here because obviously I go for good runs and I don't want to be playing around with tubes. But the tire definitely needs to be changed. So put that down. Take the rubber tube out. See, so there it is. There's the old tire. No tube anymore. There's the new tire. Put that tube right inside there. Always verify you got the right size tire. You don't want to get the wrong tube and the wrong tire. It's a headache. So in this case, I got a little air in my tube still, but it will work. It's fine. So there's a new tire, new tube involved. Okay, so what you do, you find where your valve stem goes through. That's the first point. Poke that through. Okay, give it a good pull. What you want to do is just start to get everything rotating. Just like this. Just get the tire around the rim till you hit a spot. That's pretty easy, you know. But for whoever has never done this, you know, this is definitely a good little video for you. Yeah, you're gonna let a little more air out of here. It's being a pain in the butt. Okay, a little more air that was in there. Should help with the. It definitely doesn't help that the tire was spread when it was in the box. So, I don't know. Anyway, let me get this tire inside of the rim here. Very interesting. That way it doesn't take me this long to put a tire on the rim, but I don't understand. I think because when you buy the tire, it's completely spread, so I gotta kind of squeeze it in there. See, so there's a little bit of a different technique I'm using here, but it seems to be working. But there it is, I guess. So there it is. Okay, so yeah, 10 minutes, I think, or what am I at, 11 minutes now? But full tire change, tube, brand new tire on there. I got to get my air pump. I won't do the air pumping. We don't need to do that. That's not necessary. But there it is. There's your valves. New valves, valve stems right there. New tire on the rim. And that's about it. So now, let me just take a look and see if this is a rotational. Well, the tracks are pointing this way. So I'm going to take this. And let me just put this, re-angle my my view over at the Black Bandit bike, because it's sitting on its forks, right? And let me just put this tire back on. I'm not going to get any air right now, but because this, air is simple. Nothing, no big deal. I'll put this up. And that's it. New tire. Yeah, new tire. I haven't connected the brakes, but so I'm basically running a new tire. It's flat, obviously. I've got to put some air in there. But the back tire has been, I did the back tire for sure, obviously. So I got a good tread on there. And it's running in the right direction. You can see that tread pattern there. So you usually want to put the tread pattern facing the direction that the tire is mostly rotating. So in this case, forward. Well, that's it. So anybody who doesn't want to change a tire, that's it. I just thought I'd do that quick little video with you. And this is, once again, the Black Bandit bike. Like and subscribe. And let's get those subscribers up, folks. Share, likes, anything you want to do. I'm open with it, because over here we like to do things different. So stay tuned. Once again, it's the Black Bandit bike. Let me get this out of this clamp here. My apologies. Black Bandit.